Hello, so end of the first day of training. It was really informative and really good. We talked a lot about poverty and like the causes of poverty and how we can help people to overcome poverty, because it is such a prevalent I want to say social disease, like in our country, and it's really sad to think about how many how many different types of poverty there is. Like we talked about there's two different models, and then there's two different, I guess, kinds. But I don't know. It was really good. It was really interesting. We learned a lot about why people are the way they are, I guess, as a way to put it. But that's not even entirely accurate. I don't know. It was really interesting and really good, and I think it's going to be a fun and very informative and enlightening year. I know that for me personally, there's a lot of things that I need to work on, like, just because, like, the example I personally used was grief. Like, just because I grieve a certain way doesn't mean that everybody grieves that way, and it's the same with poverty. Just because I react a certain way to circumstances and outside influences and things doesn't necessarily mean that everybody is going to react that way. So that's one thing that I'm really going to try and change, I guess, just because they don't, for instance, look at poverty the same way that I look at poverty does not necessarily mean that it's right or it's wrong, or it's just how they do it. It's their environment and their factors and their circumstances and everything that have formed their opinion. So I don't know. We'll see what tomorrow brings. It'll be interesting. Like, I don't know. I'm really excited. Talk to you later.